Children, today we'll discuss about the unit pollution of air and water for our SAS exam. Let's get started. Here, the first question, the percentage of nitrogen in the air: 78%, 21%, 0.03%, 0.8%. Here, the percentage of nitrogen in the air is 78%. Hence, the answer is option A. Second question, the percentage of oxygen in the air is 78%, 21%, 0.03%, 0.8%. Here the answer is 21%, option B. Next question. Third question, air pollutant that cause air pollution: power plants, automobile exhaust, burning of firewood and dung cake, all the above. Here the air pollutants that cause air pollution are all the above. Hence the answer is option D, all the above. Fourth question, gas produced from incomplete combustion of fuel such as petrol and diesel. Options: sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Here the answer is carbon monoxide. Expand the CFCs. What are CFC? You have to expand. Options: carbon fluorocarbon, chlorofluorocarbon, chlorocarbon, chlorofluorocarbon. Here the answer is chlorofluorocarbon. That is option B. Next one, ozone layer protect organisms from these rays that are coming from the sun. Here solar rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays and ultrasonic rays. Here they will protect us from ultraviolet rays. Seventh question, depletion of ozone layer is due to CFCs, FCF, CCF, FCC. Here the answer is CFCs. That is option A. Next question, the gas utilized by the plants during photosynthesis: oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Here nitrogen and carbon monoxide, these are not related for photosynthesis, whereas oxygen, it is released during photosynthesis. Hence the utilized gas is carbon dioxide from the environment during photosynthesis in the plants. Answer is option B. Ninth question, the gas responsible for acid rain. Here they have given a pair of gases. We have to choose which is responsible for acid rain: sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Here sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, they will cause the acid rain because these oxides, they will mix with the water and they will form sulfur dioxide will become sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide that will become nitric acid, and that cause the acid rain. Hence the answer is option A. 10th question, identify clean fuel that Supreme Court has ordered to use in all industries in Taj zone: CNG, LPG, CFC and lead petrol. Here we have to choose two options, whereas CNG compressed natural gas, LPG liquid petroleum gas, CFC means that is a chlorofluorocarbon and lead petrol means it is very dangerous. We should not use this. So this is wrong. CFC also wrong. Hence the answer A and B are the correct answers. 11th one, identify the alternative fuel which are needed to switch over instead of fossil fuels. Here alternative fuels we have to identify: solar energy, hydropower, wind energy, all the above. Here all the above is the correct answer because all these solar, hydropower, wind energy, all are alternative energy, whereas fossil fuels means those are we know that those are petrol, diesel and coal. Next one, When was the Ganga Action Plan was launched? 1985, 1980, 1958, 1999. The Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985. 13th question. Choose the statement not related to air pollution. They will affect on biotic and abiotic factors that cause respiratory diseases. Carbon monoxide gas reduce the oxygen carrying capacity in the blood. It never cause acid rain in the environment. So they have asked that which statement is not related to air pollution. Here, air pollution that will give effect on biotic and abiotic factors. It will cause respiratory diseases also, and in the air pollution, the carbon monoxide is one of the gas, and that will reduce the oxygen carrying capacity in the blood in the organisms, and the other gases which are not responsible for the acid rain they have given. So option D is the wrong statement. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Next one, 14th question. Reason to cause water pollution. Water pollution they have asked. Let's see the options. Discharge of harmful chemicals into the river stream directly. Using organic compost for the plants. Planting more trees. Harmful gases exhausted by the vehicles. Here they have given reason to cause water pollution. Using organic compost for the plants, it is not related to water pollution. Planting more trees, it is not related to water pollution, and it will not cause water pollution. Harmful gases exhausted by the vehicles, this is related to air pollution. Hence the answer is discharge of harmful chemicals into the river stream directly is the right answer for this question. Which of the following is a fossil fuel? Petrol, coconut, oil, water, and forest. Here the fossil fuel they have asked, so that is option A, that is petrol. Harmful chemicals discharged by the industries: lead and arsenic, soap water, hot water, pure water from the factories. Here they have asked harmful chemicals, hence the answer is lead and arsenic. Aquatic animals are dying due to water pollution because in the water, oxygen level increases in the water, the level of the carbon dioxide increases in the water, the level of the oxygen decreases in the water, the level of the nitrogen it increases in the water. Here the answer is the level of the oxygen decreases in the water because of other air pollutants. So they are dying. Hence the answer is option C. 18th question. Choose the gas that is not a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane and nitrogen. Here the answer is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, all are greenhouse gases, whereas nitrogen is not a gas related to greenhouse gas. Hence the answer is option D. Next question. Disease not caused by water pollution. Cholera, typhoid, jaundice and heart attack. Cholera, typhoid and jaundice, they will all caused by the water pollution, whereas heart attack is not related to water pollution. Hence the answer is option D. Next and the last question. The water not safe for drinking. Which water is not safe for drinking? That we have to choose. Filtered water by candle method, boiled water, water purified by chlorine tablets, which we have to use minimum percentage. And next one, the water kept exposed to the sun which is uncovered. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ನೀರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Among these, candle type of method we can use, and daily in our houses we are using that type of. Boiled water also we use, and the water purified by the chlorine methods. The chlorine tablets or the chlorine water, it will kill the bacteria. That is also called as a decolorization of the water, that kills the bacteria in the water. So that can also we can use. And the water which is kept exposed to the sun, which is uncovered, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಿ ತೆರೆದು ನೀರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ this one, D, or fourth one. Next question part, that is a descriptive type of questions are there. 5 questions are there for 2 marks, totally 10 marks are there. Here name the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, all these are the greenhouse gases. Next question, Define marble cancer. When the air pollution is more, at that time, the acid rain that corrodes the marble of the monuments, the phenomena is called as the marble cancer. Next question, what is greenhouse effect? Here, greenhouse effect means a part of the radiations that falls on the earth is absorbed by the earth, and a part is reflected back into the space. The part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere, and that will become the warmth of the earth. That is called as the greenhouse effect. Next one, explain global warming. Deforestation and other human activities increase the accumulation of carbon dioxide and environment or in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide traps the heat and does not allow to escape into the space. As a result of the average temperature of the earth atmosphere, it gradually increases. This is called as global warming. Next question, define acid rain, how it affect on Taj Mahal. When the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen they react with the water of the rain, that cause sulfuric acid and nitric acid, that cause the acid rain. The rainwater droplets, when they fall on the monuments or on the Taj, the acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. Third main question. Two questions are there for 3 marks. 26th question. Explain the reason cause air pollution. Here we have to give the reasons. Here the reasons are factories, power plants, automobile exhaust, burning of firewood and dung cakes. Factories they give the smoke, and automobiles they exhaust carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, and the burning of the firewood and dung cakes they will give the harmful chemicals. And also the refrigerators, air conditioners and the aerosols which we are using, they are having a kind of pollutants. They will also cause the air pollution. Those are chlorofluorocarbons. Also some of the greenhouse gases also cause the air pollution, greenhouse effect, global warming. All these are the causes of air pollution. Next question, what are the methods used to water make safe for drinking, and explain. Here the water which is suitable for drinking is called as a potable water. Municipal bodies treat the water before supplying the household. And also we use the physical method to remove the impurities. The popular method is candle type of filter. Second one is we before drinking we'll boil the water, that kills the germs and bacteria which are present in the water. And also chlorination is also called as a chemical method, where we are using the chlorine tablets or the bleaching powder to clean the water. But we should take care that we should not use more chlorine tablets than specified. These are the main methods to make the water safe for drinking purpose. Next and last question, define water pollution. What are the reasons for the water pollution and the effects of water pollution? Here we have to write the water pollution. Water pollution means here when undesirable pollutants which are contaminated with the water, that is called as the water pollution. The reasons for water pollutions are the industrial wastes which are discharged into the river stream directly, and also hot water, harmful chemicals which are removing from the factories, and they are get entering into the rivers and the water bodies. And also some of the pesticides, weedicides which we are using for the protection of the crops, they will dissolve in the water and they will washed into water bodies, and also they will get pollute the groundwater also. And also we clean the vessels, we clean the animals and also vehicles in the water bodies, that will also cause the water pollution. And also the fecal of the human beings and animals also contaminated, and the water will get polluted. These are the causes. And the effect of water pollution means the bacteria and the viruses which are there in the water, they will enter in the fishes and aquatic animals, and when they are eaten by the human beings, they will get the diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice. These we have to write for this question.